Fun with that. You put stickers on it. Shall we try one and then go on to the next book? Should we try one sticker? All right, the stickers.
You're in the
Oh,
middle.
there they are. Okay, let's try.
You pick one sticker.
I'm gonna try and find here. Let's try the penguin sticker. I saw a spot for the penguin. Yeah. Oops.
What else has penguins on it?
Okay.
Your new jammies?
Does he go right? Does he go right here? See, there's the penguin, and you have the penguin. It goes right next to that penguin, or on top of. Yeah, that works too. Good job.
All right, Katie Bug, good
Alright.
job. Let's
Put
go
this over
open
here.
the
Let's
next
open the next
book.
one.
What is it, Katie Bug? Another new book? Who is it? It's Curious George. Do you like Curious George?
Nope. This is Curious George visits a toy store.
Yeah.
That sounds like lots of fun.
Are you reading it, Katie Bug? What's it say?